Dear students, our next experiment is conductivity and TDS. Conductivity and TDS are measured by using an instrument called conductivity meter. The water possesses conductivity only if it contains ion. Conductivity and TDS are proportional. This is a normally cost instrument which is originally manufactured by Sistronics. Here you can see the various parts. Here we can see that on the left side there is a knob for adjusting the range, and the center knob is for calibration, and the right side it is for functions. Here first what we need to do is we need to calibrate it. For calibration 0.1 normality KCL is to be used. That is to be placed in the, this is an electrode for the conductivity meter, and the KCL solution is to be placed in it. And from the calibration we need to adjust it for 14.2. By keeping the knob at the conductivity. Afterwards it is to be shifted to conductivity at 25 degrees centigrade, and thereafter it is to be, the reading is to be adjusted 12.8. Then again it is to be turned to the TDS mode, to TDS knob, and from where we can measure the TDS. This instrument can be used very easily. There is no other complication. Now you can measure the TDS of any liquid. You can see that now it is going to be used for measuring the TDS of other liquid. We have to clean the electrode, wipe it with the tissue paper, then it is inserted in the new liquid. Here we can see that the knob is at the TDS point now, and the range is at 200 ppt, the parts per thousand. Now the reading is 0.5. That is when it is, since the value is less, we have turned the range to ppm, and now the reading is 193.1 ppm. Okay, we can wait for some time to get it settled. Some little time we need to wait so that we will be getting the correct value. Now it is going on changing, and at last it will become in a particular reading, and that need to be taken. Some time is required for getting a stable reading. This is the nature of the instrument. After keeping the new liquid, we need to wait for some time. Then we will be getting the correct answer. It is getting reducing. The value is going on reducing. it is almost stabilized, and the reading is this is a special nature of this type of instruments for getting a stable value, because there is a movement of ions, and once it is getting settled, it is almost going to be settled. So the reading is 105.4